stuck a slice of bread onto a metal pole and dangled it around in a lightning storm, you might think a lightning bolt could toast it perfectly. But the lightning would travel down the pole, charring the bread in less than a second and electrocuting you as well. Now, if you somehow attached a giant pole to a power bank, you could capture some of the energy, which you could then use to power a toaster that could toast over 20,000 slices of bread.